We switch on our total station. Let's say this is the main page, serial number, model number, version, date, and job. Setting up our unit first, going to configuration. In configuration menu, coming down to units. Units, here we have temperature, pressure, angle, and distance. So we are adjusting this according to our job. For temperature we give Celsius, and for pressure hectopascal, and for angle degree, and for distance meter. Okay, our units are all set. So going back to the main page, selecting a new job, memory, job selection, and from here list F1. From this list we select a job with no points. Here you see this job has no point, 0 point, no point is taken in this job. Now we can go and edit its name also as per our desire, job name and date, and now you give your desired name. For example, one later we are giving the shortcut H and enter. Job is saved. Go back to main page. Here you see job H. Now going to the Coord page, memory, Coord, and checking which code we have, code list. In this list we are checking that if we need some codes and we don't have here, we are going to add. Going back to the code and pressing key in code to add few codes. Here we need few codes. Sorry, you have to first press shift. For example, building, BL. So next trash point, we have to add. Erase this. Whenever you press enter, it will automatically add to the list, and backspace remove the code. And one more code we need here, trash point, we add it and thinking. Okay, one more, center line. We are doing this thing repeatedly because it's important when you are doing a job. You should have a specific job, and inside that specific job you should have codes, because those codes are necessary. You can store the relevant points in its best suited place. And now we are all set to start our job. So going to measure, and measure, last time we studied distance, and next is slope, horizontal and vertical. What is it? Actually in this we find slope, horizontal distance and vertical distance. These things later we study in detail with MLM. Next is zero set or offset. Actually let's see what we do in offset. On offset, for example, we are having an arbitrary shape. We are giving 2 points here and there. First we have to find this line. For example, we found it is 10 meter. Next is another line by any arbitrary angle, 90 maybe or maybe not, and another line, it's in arbitrary shape. It could be any way. So through this zero set or offset we are finding these all distances and these all angles. We are studying this thing in detail, but you should know that first thing are first. Before this we study zero set or offset, we have to study coordinate first. We have set our job, and now we have to set total station. Going to coordinates, here we have station orientation, observation, EDM. Coming to station orientation. Inside this station orientation we need a null point to enter here. In that null point we should have its northing and its easting, and Z0 it is for elevation from the sea level, and PT mean point number. It's count the point, how many points you are taking. It will count those points. We can add this information from ourselves now because we don't have a null point. Usually it's taken from benchmark. The last one is instrument height. Let's add some value from ourselves. For northing, for example, we are giving 80 at 0. For easting 70. For elevation, let's give 99, and point number 1. Here is the height of instrument, and height of instrument we also give an arbitrary value 1.6. This value should be taken from here, a sign on the total station you see from ground level till this sign, because it's in the middle of telescope. It should be measured with tape and enter here instead of instrument height. Remember, I should not be confused with HT because HT is called height of target. Okay, here we have two things, angle and coordinates. When we are having 2 points, we are selecting chords. So in coordinate they are asking us Backsight to enter. In Backsight we are entering also arbitrary value 80, 60, and here we give, for example, 100. Pressing OK. Now they are saying take your Backsight on total station. We are setting our telescope on our prism, or need to take the Backsight. So pressing yes, going to observation, taking observation, and let's see what's it's returning. Okay, the total station is returning bad condition in EDM. Last time we have selected reflector to none. Okay, I'm going to HT to enter height of target or height of prism. Any arbitrary value 1.5, for example, we enter. Now we are all set to take new points. Here we have two options. One is auto and the second is observation. Both are different but doing the same work. In auto, when we press it, it's taking the point and saving it in the job. Let's take a point with auto, set our telescope laser on targeted point, and after that just simply press auto, and let's the total station take its point. The total station has taken its point and also see recorded, but observation is completely different. When we go to observation and it's taking its point but asking us where you want to record it, and is the HT height of target differ or the same. Here we can change these two values for recording. For example, if you remember earlier we have given some codes or some null points. So where you want to record it, go to record and select your desired area, giving new code or going to list, selecting from list. So we are going to select one from the list. Okay, and the point is saved. Now you got what's the main difference between auto and observation. In auto we saw that it's automatically recording in the place in the selected job. Okay, let's go once more, try the auto and take one more point with auto observation. Okay, we are setting our telescope on targeted area or targeted point and pressing auto. You saw it again, it is recorded, the point is automatically. In observation it's giving you more option, so like record, for example the area of record where you want to record, You can give a new code from here. You can assign a new code, or you can also select a code from the old recorded codes list. In the list, any desired code you want, you just select that, okay, and that will be assigned to it. That was all from today, and for the next, join us.